Bynta kesengi tho ding jong katayau Menteri Ketanat Puli Putih Rakkam A Sangma ulahir Mawkyrwat ban Syiem Bynta ke Jylla ke bala pelong hapoh ke conference room jong ke Sngap Syiem College Mawkyrwat kum kongsan ha ke baula pendapat baru bala dep ban Mang pisah Haduh pasal Tylli kipus nong hikai ke bethamai hapoh keni ke college bat kum balong Bynta keni ke college kaladon Haduh sau pesan Tylli kipus ke badai lingba ke Sorkar Jylla ya keni ke notification Menteri ulai tino hau principal ke college Dr. Kiki Ramse. Haba kren kum kongsan Rakkam A Sangma ulai ke jingiaroh MLA ke Mawkyrwat Bah Renikton L Tongkhar halor ke jingiai buddien jong nak ke Bynta ban pynurlong ye shibun ke jingdonkam hapoh ke college bat ulai ro ke samla pule ke bala tereshitam ban job ye ke thong wat hapeding ke jingiai beki kenduk kum ki kena skul. Hakani kesngi nalor Menteri lawan ban senran lang da MLA kathan Bah Renikton Lyngdoh Tongkhar nang tau ba H M Shangpliang ubalong advisor jong tanat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jylla principal ke college nalor ki wei ke belasha khot ngobha. Shushu kala don ru ke jingpen ko burami ke samla puli jong ni ke college ki bela job shibun ki takma ha ke lumpung yele kai ke NEHU Inter College Athletics Men and Women Championship arjar arpulai ke bela deblong ha Shillong dang shen.
College in Haduh, principal of this college.
From Assam, I think as a former chief minister, he was saying, no, Khasi is not fit to be the tribals. They should not include under tribals category. Khasi should not be included under tribal category. They were saying, why? Don't think otherwise. They were praising our tribes. Because why they are saying like that? Because that time the tribals in all the backward people. The literacy of the Khasi at that point of time was at the highest, at the top among the tribals, among the Assam minority state. They were saying, I think, since Khasi is too much advanced, they are not worthy to be put in the backward category. We should follow it. From the day one, many years back, we are at the top. And even today, we are second to none. Therefore, that stature, that glory, we should continue as a state. Therefore, institutions, we have the capacity to take our step forward. Therefore, deeply, last my point, I think one of mine, if I mind, please forgive me. There was a debate in assembly, just concluded assembly. One of our Haduh members was on my subject, was debating. I think you're aware. Meghalayas, don't mind for saying this, Meghalayas being ruled by Kumar, by Bhattacharya, by anybody outside the state. I like that statement. I like it. But we should not take it other way around. Yes, it is true. We should admit, we should accept, but we should not take other way around. But I want to tell you today, that statement should be our challenge. If there is no Kumar, if there is no Bhattacharya, for many years, we should not have been here today. And even today, but let me tell you, who will replace this Kumar and Bhattacharya by Lyngdoh, Sangma, and all this, right? It's the challenge. If we have our own resources, why should we eat the food that brings from Jylla? Therefore, it's time for us to grow ourselves. It's a time for us, our institutions, for us to prepare our own Lyngdohs, our own Lapang, our own all this Sangma Barat, to look after our state, to substitute. They are here to substantiate us. Since we don't have resources for temporary, but for the long run, we should take over. That it's a time for institutions to take on the challenges. That is the challenge to each one of us to replace all this. We should produce more IAS officers today. We should produce more ideas, more professors, more scientists. State going to have a state-owned university from next academic session. Who will be vice chancellor? Who will be the professor? It's not from Lapang, Sangma, Marak and all this. It should be from our city. But having said so, we should also be prepared ourselves well to be fit to suit in that position. Not only in the state, we should go serve in any parts of the country. I'm happy there is one lady from Shillong who is working as a
Difficulties that having facing in the colleges, but however, despite of all the challenges, I want to congratulate the principal, Nongsi, and others, entire the faculty members and the management for taking this college forward. All credit goes to Sir Honorable MLA, Sir Renikton Lyngdoh, who have taken all these things and in the past government, who was as a minister, as an MLA, who was so active, who was so close to the government. So because of all this, whatever has achieved today has been rich. So before Sir MLA and MLA told me, I have already seen and read this. I've already gone through. So nothing is impossible when there is a desire and a commitment. So with that commitment, we will explore what best can we do for the college. So therefore, lastly, I want to say this good news for each one of you. So the government of Meghalaya has approved the sanction of 24 new sanction posts under People College category for Sngap College. So now you will be having the 45 number of government sanction posts in this college. If I'm not wrong, you have already 21 numbers, right? 21 numbers, and government has agreed to sanction 24 additional sanction posts for better management of this college. So my wishes, let this not be the number, but the result be on the performance of the college and the students. Before I hand it over it, I just want to, I like this one point.